Vlog every day August. If I have to do this every single day of the month, I'm going to require planning. The mornings after a loss are usually the worst because सबसे ज़्यादा और सबसे बड़ी reason ये है कि you feel helpless. Like I don't know how the players feel. I mean, I've also played and I've lost and I've won also, but obviously the stakes aren't as high. But as a player, I'm sure you feel different. As a coach, you feel different. But as the rest of the people that are not on stage, the loss feels so hard because you feel helpless. Because you did everything that you could and there was nothing more that you could have done. That is the nature of sport. That is the nature of esports. It is what it is. It sounds horrible to say, but someone has to win and someone has to lose. The better team won. We weren't the better team. I think this was, I told the rest of the team also, this probably, from the way I see it, probably our most important match of the year, and our team probably played the worst of the year. So जब करना था तब नहीं कर पाए. ठीक है, now we'll do what needs to be done because our goal remains the same. जीतना तो है, and one way or another we have to make it happen. And it's Monday again. It's day 4. We got to get started. The world doesn't stop because we had a bad day. We still got to keep working. So happy Monday morning. Let's go. And that, everyone, is a life lesson right there. That no matter what happens in your life, no matter the ups, the downs, good or bad, you're going to wake up the next morning. It's going to be Monday. You're going to have to go back to work and still be at it. Because the grind never stops. And of course I would have got up a lot happier if we had won, but still got to get up even with the loss. Still got to go back to work. You still got to do what you have to do, and you still got to make it work. There's no other way. No other way. Mandatory social media affogato shot. As I was saying, it's a Monday, so you got to continue doing Monday things, and I ended up getting a haircut yesterday. Match day ke pehle I thought jaake I will look a little better for stream, thoda sa chodo. Anyway, also had a very long team meeting with the entire coaching staff, support staff, everyone. We had an all hands on deck meeting to discuss abhi aage kya karna hai, kaise karna hai. Of course we still have our DRX game, but again that game, really the consequences now are very different. The consequences now are very different because we no longer qualify for playoffs. We no longer go further. Like regardless of the result, that is only going to affect our placement and DRX's championship points and how the rest of the season impacts and what our placement is for the end of the year. So of course we still have to give it our all and win that match regardless. But that game does not count for this stage. Meaning, agar jeete ya haare, we can no longer go to playoffs. Our season is done. So now we plan for off season. We plan for what all we need to do in the next couple of months with the players, with the staff, with everything that needs to happen, so that no matter what, next season we win. Because हमारे पास और कोई option है ही नहीं at this point. Right now that's all we can do. अभी we can keep going. shoulda, woulda, coulda, ये करना चाहिए था, वो कर सकते थे, ऐसे करना था. But एक तो we did everything that we could given our circumstances and the cards that we were dealt. और दूसरा, मेरे पास टाइम मशीन है नहीं. अगर आपके पास है तो प्लीज दे दो. I don't mind. Like we'll share. There's like call me if you have a time machine. If not, then we got to do what we got to do. And abhi we got to make the best of what we have left. The rest of the year, there's still quite a bit of action. But from the official circuit, from VCT Pacific, that's it for Global Esports. I've also been reading social media. I've been getting a lot of tags and there have been a lot of questions. So मैंने सोचा, since I'm doing this every day, rather than going and doing like a Sunday AMA on Twitter or doing like random Instagram stories asking questions, why don't we do it right here? So in this Veda vlog everyday August, day 4, in this Veda, I am going to make sure that I have a segment called Ask Rushi. What you need to do is literally in the comments down below, यही वीडियो के comments में go and just ask me a question and use the hashtag Ask Rushi, hashtag ASKRUSHI. And all you have to do is use that hashtag down in the comments below with a question, and in the next video and every video from there on out I will answer whatever questions are there in the comments down below. Easy, like इधर just literally अब comments में जाके पूछ दो, मैं reply दे दूंगा. Damn, the number of new places I keep seeing opening up in Bandra. I think Bandra has always been the coolest, but let's not go there. But Bandra has like so many new places. हर दिन हर रोज कोई ना कोई बिल्डिंग में कोई ना कोई जगह पे नया रेस्टोरेंट, नई जगह, नई दुकान खुल रही है. I mean guys, I'm a Bandra boy from St. Stanislaus High School. अभी मैं क्या ही बोला, born and brought up here में मेरी गलियां है यार. I mean literally like वो बिल्डिंग में पीछे रणबीर कपूर और आलिया रहते और यहाँ मैं बाल काटने आता था. Like this. The one thing that I'll say, I'm really glad that I'm back to this vlogging. Just in general creating, I feel like it gives me an outlet, it gives me structure, it gives me discipline. और हर रोज वो शूट करके एडिट करके अपलोड करके वो साइकिल, it just I have to make sure that I'm consistent and I don't miss any, and I need all of you guys to motivate me down and like and share and subscribe and do all of those things. But I am going to have to motivate and push myself and make sure कि मैं एक भी दिन मिस ना करूँ. अभी 4 दिन हो गए हैं. So far so good. थोड़ा selfish है. Right now this I'm doing more for me than for you. Sorry. आपकी बारी आएगी. Right now this is more for me, which is why like I don't really care about the views. I don't care about like how much growth the channel gets or how many deals I get, because that's not why this वो नहीं है. जब वो होगा मैं खुद ही बता दूंगा कि ये वो है, बट ये वो नहीं है. So this has been really like a post and ghost kind of situation. मैं अपलोड कर देता, फिर भूल जाता, फिर मैं आगे वापस आके चेक भी नहीं करता. The only time I check is to reply to your comments, so make sure you do comment. That is one thing that I am doing. तो अगर आपको रिस्पॉन्स चाहिए तो कमेंट करना पड़ेगा. That I am making sure I am replying to every comment. Comments नहीं मिस करूँगा. बाकी ऑल्सो कुछ लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि इसका इंस्टाग्राम पे क्यों नहीं शेयर किया, स्टोरी डाल देते, या ट्विटर पे क्यों नहीं डाला, या डिस्कॉर्ड पे, या आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू. सो मैं नहीं करता. दिस इज अ यूट्यूब थिंग. दिस इज फॉर यूट्यूब. दिस इज फॉर मी. इट्स जस्ट गोइंग टू बी ऑन यूट्यूब एंड दैट्स इट. और कहीं से मैं कोई शेयर वेयर, क्रॉस प्रमोशन, ये सब कुछ नहीं होने वाला. दैट मीन्स इफ यू हियर, you are here because या तो आपको notification मिला or you saw it in your For You or recommended page, not because it came from anywhere else. So yay.